I thought it'd be fun to give you a tour of my home office and share all my favorite tools and just little things I have that make working from home full-time a bit easier and more fun. If you're new here, hi, I'm Louise. I have an online education business, so a lot of my time is spent creating content, so quite a few of the tips will apply to that. All right, so here it is, and I'm actually really excited to share this with you because this is my dream office. And as you can see, we've taken my brand colors very seriously and applied those everywhere in the office. I'm gonna put those on screen right now so you can see them. But yeah, I think this was actually a really smart move because now all of my reels and YouTube videos, they are all on brand. So this is what it looks like. Okay, I definitely still need to add some art to this wall over here. You guys are getting a tour before it, that's done. So picture some cute art over there. Then I have this little station where I do all my makeup and get ready. My carpet is super cute, so I wanna show you that, so let's go down. And then over here, we have this adorable one-seater couch that is amazing and actually converts into a bed. Okay, and then ready for the best part ever. Then you go over here and ta-da! Then we have our amazing backyard, the ocean, palm trees, all things that make me so happy. And yeah, as I said, dream office. It's been a long time in the making, been on my vision board for a long time to have a beach house. So super, super grateful about that. Okay, so that's there. And then we actually have a door here because I have a bathroom, which is cute. Definitely needs some work as well. Clearly missing a mirror, so we could start there. But yeah, we will work on developing that. All right, so now let's do a deeper dive into all of the things that we have. Firstly, I finally added some shelves. So that's a painting that Nathan bought me from Hawaii. And then I have a few like fun accomplishments that we've been able to celebrate. And then I have my vision board. When I look at it, I'm reminded what I need to be focused on and just what I'm working towards. So yeah, that's the one I created at the beginning of 2022, and I'll definitely create another one at the beginning of this year. This was a really helpful message for me to remember, to actually treat your business like a business. So that's the way I like to do things, like having a really systematized, streamlined online business, and that's worked really well for us. So yeah, treat your business like a business. All right, now you're probably wondering what all these names are. So when we do an online course launch, we'll actually celebrate each person that comes and joins and then add them to our wall. You may have seen me do that before. It's super fun. It's a really nice way to celebrate your students. So yeah, that is from a past launch. Then I gotta remove that. There was a TV in here before. So for context, we haven't been in this house that long, so that's why I'm saying it's still work in progress. Okay, so now let's move to content creation things. So lighting is something that is generally really difficult. So I love having this style of light. Okay, so I will link to everything in the description below, but basically when you're creating content, you just wanna have reliable light. And if you're just relying on the window, like if the weather changes or the sun moves, it can be really frustrating. Okay, now I have to give a special shout out to this chair. One thing that is going to make work from home life so much better is to get a comfortable chair. This thing is so damn comfortable. I absolutely love it. So that helps a lot and actually keeps me working. So now let's talk other equipment. So I like to honestly just keep it here on the side. Yes, it looks a little bit messy, but just having everything for creating content easily accessible makes such a huge difference. All right, so first up, I have this little tripod that I use for reels. That's super convenient. And then I have the Shure MV7 microphone, which I am absolutely obsessed with. This microphone is amazing. and it really cuts out any background noise that you might be worried about. So whether you have super loud neighbors or there's always traffic going by, if that's a problem for you, definitely invest in this Shure mic. Then I keep it super simple for filming, and I use this Logitech 4K webcam. I think it's great, and so this allows me to get good quality video for not only YouTube videos, but then for my online course lessons and any Zoom call or like podcast interview that I might do. Okay, now another thing I need to recommend are these little things that can help organize your cords and stop them from falling on the ground. So these here, Turtle Snaps Cable Management. So we have them like all over the place here in my office, and then also at my nightstand. So yeah, grab those. Then over here is a bit of a hot mess. All right, so now my makeup stand. I'm so tall that I have to like bend down right now. But this has been super convenient to have, and just have a spot where I can leave all of my makeup and get ready. So this opens up here. I have all of my makeup, things that I need. And then I have my little chair that pops out like that. So all in all, I think it's really important to love your workspace and just do what you can, add little things to make it as inspiring and convenient as possible. So things like having really delicious smelling candles, vision boards, whatever helps you love your space. All right guys, that's it for my home office tour. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you would like me to do more videos like this, then definitely hit like. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you real soon with another one.